Hello, so today I'm going to make a tutorial on how to use CMOS in Scarlet Skies. So, CMOS is basically just a basic computer thing. You can do more complex stuff with it, of course, but I already have a hammer. But anyways, so to use CMOS, of course, first you need to get an operation, or like, some signals would be good. Let's do. Well, let's make CMOS 1 plus 1. So you want, first you need inputs, of course, and an output, but yeah, so these inputs is you can read them from, wait a second, CMOS from here. So A does from other CMOS modes you're passing on, B mode 1.0, so on. For this, just gonna actually pick out those. I should probably have done this before. Yeah, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, so this is gonna be input A, and this is gonna be input B. You just need to set this to 1. They spawn automatically as polysilicon 0, but if you set it with the hammer, you can get the right one. So you can use memory chips, for example, to get data, or you can use whatever else. For this, we're doing 1 plus 1, so bit 1 is the file, 1 is the file here too. Polysilicon 0 does, I think it, yeah, it was polysilicon 0 that does the, yeah. So just get the, this one, and then is you put the operation. So in this case we're doing plus. As you can see, CMOS, you can do the same thing with basically any of these. So like, let's say fx. Anyways, so plus A1, so A is polysilicon 0, so it's this, and then 1 is the first number. So if we were to say do like 1, 1, then this would be 1, this would be 2, that would be 3. Right now we're just doing 1. Okay. And B1. Oh, and also use these, I forgot what these are called, semicolons or something, to separate different parts of the operation or whatever. So be plus A1, B1. Now, the true output would be if it was successful, and the false output if it somehow failed. If you, for example, put A into this, then it would do false. Anyways, so oh gosh, B1. So the true and false output. So here is it. So right now, default, it simply outputs to all connected parts. So if you put like a signal wire, and of course let's put a monitor here. And if it's true, it outputs to that. And let's put this to 1A. You can't do 1 plus 1A. Yep, false. Go polysilicon 3. Actually need to check it. And this would say error, invalid operation, or something like that. So yeah, I think it was polysilicon 3 that just 2 on it. Yep, it's false. You can also put equals. So well, okay, whatever. Let's first see this. So like error. Let's do just 1. Just 1 plus 1. Get 2. Let's do say 2 plus 1 is 3. Pretty simple. Now you can also put, let's say for example, actually no, that's not what it. So you also do stuff like, well, say you want to get 11 from 1 plus 1. Do fx. Wait, I need to quick search up that. Yes. Fx A1, B2, A1, B1 makes 11. See? 1 plus 1 is 11, totally. Yes. So here you can put letters, so let's say 1A, 1A1. Now if you put A1 and B1 in a different order, then it will do this in a different order, of course. Do that. Never mind. I guess not. Okay, well I guess you can't just do that anyways. Then there's also this is also stuff like equals, so you can check if this equals this, which it doesn't. So just do equals, and now it will come out as true or false. Never mind, it'll come out as error. It's probably false. I don't know. 1. Yep. If it's equals, it comes out as 1. If it's false, it comes out as error. That's pretty simple. And also the outputs. So, how'd it go now? Right. So yeah, here's the list for the outputs. Basically, well, if we do, let's do 1, 3, and true output would be to, I don't remember these outside memory like this. Yes, so output's upwards. So now if we do this, it's true, it won't do that. You have to put it up, and it'll output to it. Yeah, basically how it works. You can, this first number is where it outputs, and the second number is how it acts. So let's say we put a door on, wait. So yeah, mode 0, mode 1, mode 2, and then just straight out signal and overrides whatever stuff. Anyways, let's put like a, well yeah, why not? Because that won't work. I don't know. Anyways, you can directly signal a valve, for example. Just let's do it. Yeah, 3 will toggle it. If it's true and 3. Okay. 2, 3 perhaps. Because that's okay. Well, no, 1, 2. Whoops. We have a skill issue here. Yeah. See, now it's a toggling polysilicon, same as if you'd put a normal polysilicon. Yeah, same thing as this. Or polysilicon mode 1, for example, will only activate it. Deactivate it, sorry. Yeah. And 0, so on. And 0. Now, what we can do with this, for example, is a door. That only opens if you click it. So just get rid of this. Let's do if wait, no, yes, okay. So equals A1 spinner 8 true output 1 3 false output 3 3. So now what? Oh, because it's mode 1. Whoops. No, I just need direct to 1 0. No, it's 1 4. Oh my gosh, not working well today. No? Okay. CMOS 3. Okay, it was just 3. 1 3. Okay. What? A1 equals spin rate, basically, but... Oh, it's a door template, that's why. Whoops, I forgot, sorry about that. Anyways. Yeah, now it should work, but it should only open if I open it. If... Well, I can't replicate someone else, but I can... But I could put Bob. If someone named Bob would open it, it would not open. You could do this, but if I try opening it with a button, it opens. You know, you could do this kind of stuff, and whatever else you can think of. I'm not going to go into that now. Yeah, that's about everything really. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye.